welcome back to Jen's Hangout. Today we have Splendies from October. I know, I'm a little late. They came on October 30th, but I've had a lot, and I do mean a lot, going on. So, I was not able to open them when they got here, but, I'll do it now. Anyway, this is what they look like when they come. Now I have the hiccups. Fabulous. I get the plus size, which is $16.99. Oh, I have, yeah, because the regular ones are $14.99. Yep. Brain that's fried. Anyway, so I have the plus size, which is $16.99. I am like totally brain fried today. Anyway, so I get the plus size, which is $16.99. Regulars are $14.99, which come in, I believe, extra small to extra large is the regulars, and then the plus size, which the reason why I get the plus size is because the lace panties that you get on occasion are just a smidge too snug. Does that make sense? So I just decided to go up a size, which, you know, who doesn't like a little room in their panties? You know, so I like a little room in my chunnies. That's all I can say. So, I don't need to do this anymore. Oh, I'm so excited. But, these are cute. So yeah, I just went up one size so that I could have just a little bit of room in my pants. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. So that's what I did. But I think they go all the way up to a 4X, I believe. Could be wrong. But anyway, they're incredibly comfortable. And oh my god, these are so stinking cute. Look at these. They're so cute. And you generally get like a sexy pair. These are so cute. And they're adjustable. They have little like bra adjusters. How cute are those? Those are so cute. And then you generally get like a more practical pair. Oh, these are so soft. These will be super comfy under leggings, and your leggings won't fall. These are like flannelly, but not. Oh my god, these are so, oh, moleskin. That's what they're called. That's what they feel like, is moleskin. Oh my gosh, these are so comfy. Well, hello, handsome. Did you decide to come and join us after having a good rub on the floor? Yeah. Anyway, so these, they have a nice little scalloped edge. So cute. So cute. The tags right there, so they're not wanting to go straight, and it would help if I could go the right way. There we go. But yeah, they have a nice little scalloped edge. How cute are those? And then here's like a little wild pair, and these are silky. I like these. These would be good under jeans. Yes. Who doesn't like a satiny pair? Well, bless you, Coda. Anyway, she's right here. Anyway, these are nice. And who doesn't like a nice satiny pair of shones under their jeans? I sure do. But yeah, ooh, those are very nice. But they have a nice edge on them. So I don't think they'd slip. Anyway, my link for those is always down below. It's just a friend link. I think I might get a free pair of underwear out of it. I don't know. I don't really think so. It's just a referral link. And you might get a discount. I'm such a good influencer. Such a good YouTuber. Not. Anyway, but there you go. So that's what that is. I love me some Splendies. My friend Char from Char's Fashion Nation, she makes, I'm excited. She makes clothes. She's a custom clothes designer. So I'm excited. She makes clothes. So we're in the works with some goodies. Anyways, so there's that. This is my Splendies. November's Splendies are on the way. I also ordered some, so we'll have more this month. So we'll see those soon. Blessings to you all. I'll see you guys later. Bye.